Hi, Maripili from Everwell here, and today we're gonna be talking about Instagram Stories, specifically Instagram Stories 101. So if you don't know anything about Instagram Stories, this video is for you. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna go here into Instagram, and this is our profile. So to go to your Instagram stories, you have to be on your home feed and just swipe to your right. There you have it. So now, some of the basic things that you can do, and the 4 main things that you need to know about Instagram stories are, right now, the first thing that you're gonna see is the normal feature. And if you just click on the little circle that's right there, you're gonna take a picture. And that's all you need to know to take a picture. And I would recommend to add some text, right? So you just click anywhere on the image and you're gonna add something.
Making videos, for example.
You can see the different types that you can have in there, and you can even add some color to that. If you click on it and keep it tapped, you can get the entire color wheel, so you can choose any color you want. Specifically, if you have your brand colors, those are the best. And you can also add a little bit more of depth with this. So I like to add some color here. There you go. Once you're done with that, you're just gonna click where it says your story, and that's it. There you have it. You made a story. Now let's do a video. And to do a video, if you're under the normal, you can just tap on it and keep it tapped so you can see the little circle go around it. That means that you are recording. Once you stopped pressing on it, it's gonna finish recording and you can see what you recorded. Now, the other really great way to do so is if you see the menu at the bottom and go all the way down, you're gonna see the hands-free. I really recommend for you to use this one because you can just click on it and it'll start recording. You don't have to keep it pressed, which is really good because you can use your hands and answer questions that your customers might want to know. Now, to stop recording, just make sure to press on it just once. Tap on it lightly and you're gonna be able to see what you recorded. You can add some filters by swiping to the left or to your right. And just whatever you like best, just keep it as that. Now, the other thing that you might want to know, now you've already done photo, you've already done video, you might also have heard about the boomerangs. What's a boomerang, you're gonna ask? Well, it's just a really quick 2-second video or 3-second video. Let's try one. Make sure to just do 1 or 2 movements so it doesn't look crazy. Something like this is really easy and fast to do. It adds a little bit extra something to photos without being a really long video. And then finally, the other one that I really recommend is type. So for type, you literally just have to type something here. You can also change the font if you want to, and change the background. Whatever you like best, and you're ready to go, just press on that little arrow and there you have it. You can just add to your story. And there you have it. Those are the main features for your Instagram story. Now, if you want to know more about how to make your Instagram stories more interactive or any other tips, make sure to follow along on everwell.io. See you later.